Hi, this is Lori Kornblum, and here's a video for Career Essentials, how to add the MATC institutional goals for your course. Here I am in the ZERD 204 class, which just collapsed. You can see that um, this is for week 6, or week 3 rather, the unit 6. And what you do is you scroll down in your course tools, and you will see a thing called goals. So in this case, the goals have already been added, but I'm going to delete it to show you how to add that to your class. So what you do is you click on Add Association. Usually you will start at the first page. It'll pop up with the first page, which starts with accounting. But what you want to do is click all the way through to the last page, click on Institutional Goals, and hit Submit. And then you will say OK, and your Career Essentials will be in your class. Actually, you have to select them and then say submit, and then they show up in your class, and all you do is hit OK. I'm unable to show you how students view these goals because there's no students in this class, and I was unable to create a tutorial that didn't show student names. But what you would do is go into goal performance, and you would click on a particular student. Hello, I'm back again. I created a student user so that I could grade the Career Essentials, and I could show you how this works. So back to the Grading Center, just as a review, I'm going to the Full Grade Center. I created myself as a student user. I have a Career Essential on technological competency not linked to an assignment. It has been aligned to MATC's goals. I want to grade this user, so I'm going to click on View Grade Details, and I will clear the attempt and just show you how this is done again. So what I'm going to do is save this, and it's deleted. So let's go back to the Grade Center and go to Technological Competency. I am going to I'm going to view the grade details. Again, I'm going to view the rubric, and let's say this user did pretty well. Didn't use the technology so much, but was very safe. Maintained it fine. So then I would say save. And so the grade was a 9.37 or whatever it is, 9.375, and that was successful. So let's go back to the Grade Center. It now shows up in the Grade Center. So how does this relate to the MATC's goals? You go into your course tools, you scroll down to Goal Performance, and you see there's one student user in this class, that would be me. And you can see how I would see my grades. If I were a student, I would see it this way. It would show the student if they hovered over it what it was, and I can view the scale of how the scaling is done. And also if there were an assessment on it, then they would show what the assessment was. So that is how you grade or you show the students. For students, they will go into goal performance, and it doesn't show how that works for me. So I'm going to enter the student preview mode, and I'm going to go into goal performance to see if it shows up. And because I am a student in this class, when I go into goal performance, it will show you how I did in this class. To see how students do overall, there are other MATC tutorials on that. Because I'm only a student in this class, it's not going to show up. But there you have it on how students view goal performance. And thanks a lot. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.